So if you're checking out this video, you're looking for a way to make that sweet, sweet passive income without doing a single thing. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is very possible, and I'm going to show you 3 websites that will allow you to do this very thing. Plus, I'll be sharing with you an honorable mention, and I'll be discussing that later in the video. So if this sounds good to you, then make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can make that oh so good passive income without doing a single thing. Let's get started. What's good? My name is Tay Wilkins and welcome back to the channel. Like I said, guys, I've got some good stuff for you today. For this today, all you need is a laptop or a smartphone and an internet connection. You don't need no technical skills. You don't need anything special for this. As long as you got those 2 things and an internet connection, you are good to go. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer so I can show you these websites and can show you how all this stuff works and how you can make that sweet, sweet passive income. Alright, so the first website that I have for you is called PackageStream, alright? And the way this works is that you'll be acting as a proxy for this website to allow people to access stuff that is geographically locked. Alright, now, because we're talking about data and locations, most people be worried about their personal data. Well, with PackageStream, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Because your actual IP address and your actual location is encrypted, so nobody be able to find your personal information. They're just using that location, okay? It is encrypted, it is secure, and as you can see right here with PackageStream, it says we employ various measures to maintain the privacy and securities of our user. Our product engineers use industry-established encryption and security practices to keep the packeter and customer data safe and secure. All right, so you don't have to worry about your personal data, your personal information getting put out there. All right. So basically, what could you potentially earn with this? So it's 10 cents per gigabyte. All right. So it doesn't seem like much, but over time that can add up, and that can add up pretty quickly. So let's say you decide to offer up 100 gigabytes per day. It's 10 cents per 1 gigabyte. So if we multiply that by 100, you'll get $10 per day. Since there's 7 days in a week, multiply that 10 into those 7 days, you get $70 that you can make per week. And if you multiply that by 4, you're looking at a potential of $280 per month for just doing nothing. It's nothing to sneeze at, considering you're not doing anything but using your internet connection. Okay, so like I said, 10 cents doesn't seem like a lot, but it'll add up. Okay, now what I will say is this is perfect for people with unlimited data. Okay, if you have unlimited data, this is no problem. I'm actually using this in the background, so what I'll do in an update video, I'll go ahead and show you how much I've made over time, because I'm using everything that I'm showing you today, and just to show you over shoulder that it does work, and you can cash out, you can make money with this stuff, because that's something that I like to do and talk about some of these stuff. I like to actually show you that it actually works. All right, so I will be showing you firsthand that this stuff works, and I'll update you in a future video about it. All right, but when you want to get ready to start, all right, you go ahead and click on Earn Money, and they'll show you, you'll sign up, and then you can go ahead and install the app that you need for your desktop. And once it's running, it'll just use your data and your location, and you can start earning money. All right, so like I said, it's a great way to just passively make money. You just set it up, forget it, let it run, come back once a week or whatever, check on it. Once you have a good amount of money that you want to withdraw, just go ahead and withdraw it. And you can do this through PayPal. All right, so this is the first website, and let me show you the second one, which is called HoneyGain. HoneyGain works exactly the same way as PackageStream. Okay, you're sharing your geographical location and your data, are allowing other people to use it to access the stuff that they normally couldn't access, and you get paid for it. Again, it works the exact same way, and they have good encryption and security to make sure your information is safe. If you sign up, they give you $5 for free to get started with it. you know, that's a bonus for you. This, like I said, this is new to me because it wasn't available when I signed up. The other site that I want to share with you works a little bit differently than these, and this is called Tapestry.io. And the way this one works is they collect your data and they pay you for it. Okay, this isn't like the other two where you're sharing your location with other people. This one, they're actually collecting your data. All right, so before you become alarmed, just know that every social media platform that you use collects your data. The phone manufacturer that you use collects your data. Your phone carrier collects your data. Okay, basically your data is being collected and you're not being rewarded or paid for it, or being paid for it at all. Okay, and if you don't believe me, check the terms of service. They are using your data. Why not benefit from it? You're already giving out your data to people. Why not benefit from it, right? So here's the thing with Tapestry. Tapestry is still in pre-release. It's been approved for the Android App Store, but it's still waiting for Apple, the iOS App Store, to give it the okay. All right. Once that happens, this thing is going to go live. If you guys jump in on this early, all right, you'll be among the first few who can benefit the most. Okay, because you know, with a lot of these apps and programs, the more people that come in, the less the income pool becomes. All right, and you know, you don't want to be on the back end. You want to be on the front end of this program, making as much as you can before everybody jumps in and starts using the platform. It's in pre-registration right now, and again, they're just waiting for approval from the iOS App Store. All right. Now, all of these platforms, PacketStream, HoneyGain, Tapestry, and the bonus website I'm getting ready to talk about, they all have affiliate programs, and this is where the bread and butter comes in. Okay, if you guys really want to make some serious income, once you start using these apps and these websites, right? Once you see firsthand that you're making income, you can share this out with other people, right? You get a personalized affiliate link, all right? And when you share this out, anybody who uses your affiliate link, you make a commission and you make a percentage of whatever data they're sharing. So there's even more money that can be made with these programs. Okay, so there's a lot here, and again, you don't have to really do anything. Okay, you set up the programs, you let them run in the background, you go do whatever it is you need to do. Okay, and you come back from time to time and see that money coming in, and from time to time you can also share your referral link with other people and make even more money. Okay, the possibilities are endless with these programs. Okay, so I told you there was an honorable mention, and I'm getting ready to talk about that one now, and it's called CryptoTab. All right, CryptoTab is a browser that works almost identical to Google Chrome, but the difference is it doubles up as a Bitcoin miner. Now, I've made videos about this in the past, and I've even showed that it works, that you can mine Bitcoin and then that you can cash out, and I'll put the card up so that you can see that video. It works. Now, the thing about CryptoTab is it uses data and it uses some of your CPU and your GPU. Now, the thing about this one is they've changed the rules, okay, because people were abusing the system. So they've changed the rules, and I'll probably make an updated video on CryptoTab just going over some of the rule changes and how you can best use this platform. But the thing is, like I said, it doesn't just use your internet connection. It also uses your internals, your CPU and your GPU to mine this Bitcoin, and that could run up your electricity bill, and it could put some wear and tear on your laptop or your computer. Not so much on your smartphone. They have a different process for that so that you're not wearing out your phone, but for your computer, it's a different story. It could decrease the lifespan of your device, and if it's your only one, you may not want to risk that. Okay, so this is why I said this one was an honorable mention. I'll just put it out there as an extra way to make money. You can cash out your crypto into a wallet. I use Coinbase, okay, but you can use whatever wallet you want to send it to, okay. But it is another option. And again, CryptoTab has an affiliate program. So once you start mining and making money with it, you can share that with others and show them, hey, this works. You don't have to do a thing, but let it run in the background. And I believe it's 10% with this one as well. Whatever they're mining, you earn that off of them. Okay, so like I said, guys, with these 4 websites that work with your laptop and your smartphone that you can use together simultaneously and use all these programs at once, the possibilities are endless with these, especially if you're utilizing their affiliate programs. All right, guys. So what's going to happen is I'll leave links to all of this stuff in the description below. All right, these will be my affiliate links. You can see firsthand how this works, and then you can share this out with others. And if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and run the apps in the background and still make money that way. I would highly suggest that you use all of these platforms at once, all of them. Okay, and maybe CryptoTab if you can, if you're not worried about, you know, wearing out your device a little bit. It's not going to use all of your processing power, but it's going to use half of it. Okay, and if you're worried about that, then just shove that one to the side, but run the other ones all together, because that's not going to hurt you, especially if you have unlimited internet access. Now, if you don't have unlimited internet access, then this may not be, these websites may not be for you. Okay, because there are people in certain states or in places around the world who have data caps. Okay, this may not be for you because you be using a lot of your data. Okay, but you do get paid for it, and it may offset having to pay extra fees if you go over your data caps. Okay, so I'm just putting it out there. I'm giving you an opportunity to really put some money in your pocket, guys. All right, so with that being said, this long-winded video is done. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and share this out with others, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you've either used any of these programs before or if you're going to use them. And if you have used them, let me know what your experience is. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.